Hello, boys and girls. This is Mr. McAndrew, the math coach. I'm here to teach you how to play a really cool game called Numskill. I know, it's a funny name, isn't it? So when you come to the website, it'll look like this. Okay, and just to show you how to play, we're going to start with difficulty level easy, and we'll start with one set. And I'll show you what that means in a minute. So I'm going to hit the start button right here. Okay, and you see there's a bunch of cards. Right? Each card is a different color and different number. So what you're trying to do is find 3 cards that make a fact family. For example, let's say 9 and 1 and 10, because 9 plus 1 is 10, right? 1 plus 9 is 10. 10 minus 1 is 9, and 10 take away 9 is 1. But now if I click on these 3, it's not going to work, okay, because it's not a set. A set, each number has to be a different color. So for example, if I do 6 and 2 is 8, that's also a fact family, and they're each a different color. So 6 is blue, 2 is red, and 8 is green. So let's see how that works. So 6, 2, and 8. And there you go. See that it popped up, okay? And then it gets you over to the next one. All right, so here I can see I have 8 and 2 makes 10, but why can't I do that? Because 8 and 2 are the same color, and each card has to be a different color. But I could do 7, a blue 7, a green 1 makes a red 8. Okay, and then that shows up. Now, if I go back, if I click the menu button, I can increase the number of sets. See, I get 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5. So I'll click 3 this time. And now you can see over here, there's going to be 3 sets that I can find. So let's see if I can find 1. I can see 9 and 1 is 10, and they're all different colors, so that should work. Okay, 5 and 4 is 9, but the 4 and the 9 are both yellow, so that does not work. Let's see, what else can I do here? Do you see one that we could do? Oh, look, 8 and 2 makes 10, and they're all different colors. Okay, so that's how that works. And you can also adjust the difficulty level. So here it is, this is hard. Okay, I'm going to hit the start button. All right, and this goes up until 20, which is more of where would be good for you to be working. Okay, so there's 3 sets here. Let's see, I see 10 and 6 make 16, so that one works. Okay, oh, I see 7 and 3 makes 10, but that won't work. Watch, because 7 and 3 are the same color, so that does not work. How about, let's see, how about, do you see another one? Let's see, oh, 4 and 3 is 7, but again, the 3 and the 7 are the same color. So this is the idea of it, right? You want to keep looking. So there's 2 more sets here. 6 and, oh, here we go, 6 and 4. You have a blue 6, a green 4, and a yellow 10. That's another set, okay? And then there's going to be another set that you can find. So, yeah, so it's fun, right? And it's creative. You can also, if you go back to the menu, you can go all the way up to 5 sets. So on this one, there's 5 different sets that you could make. All right, do you see any right now? I see 10 and 6 makes 16. There's one right there. Let's see. I see 9 and 7 makes 16. That's another one. Let's see. I see that 7 and 3 makes 10. So that's cool. I see, 16 and 3 makes 19, but 16 and 3 are the same color. Okay, so you get the idea. All right, have fun with this, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.